Chef G called out someone who got her angry with her full chest. Basbo's Nollywood actress called Annie Idibia a snaky. Full gist. Updates on Nigeria lifting ban on Twitter. Okay, people, I want to welcome back to my channel. When I new, when I welcome, when I old, when I super duper welcome. Alright, so check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you're the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. My character people, they know it's small, you know. Some people say they live no balance. True, they live no balance. Because some people, they just carry torchlight like this. They wait for person on way go spoil. May they go do celebration, may they go do Thanksgiving. It's really bad. Okay, why are they talk so? And they talk so because you get waiting Choma posts, you know, for social media. She post you know, it was an emotional write-up, and coming from someone like Chef G, where we say she hardly talks, she hardly comments on things. Even when any form of negativity they fly around her, she hardly even say anything about it. She rather not even say anything safe. She just keep quiet. Sometimes she come out like that, one talk one or two, people go be like, this one don't really hit her. For her to even come out to want to say something, that means this one don't really hit her. So my great people them, Chef G been come out to you, come right, make I read them for now. So Chef G been don't come out, come right, say, if you can't be good to people, at least don't hurt them. Come right, good night. So as she write this thing, she don't call anybody name, but I feel say person don't offend her. That's why she can write say, if you know fit dey good to people, say at least may you know hurt them. Can't tell the person good night. So people just can't like conclude saying that Davido now she they refer to. Sworn down my correct people them how this life be. The life no balance at all. Some people supposed to okay. So as Choma and Davido been the dates now. Like people that were happy for them, if people were been there happy for them, they will be like 30%. Then the ones where the team in the paper them, they were just patiently waiting, see me the relationship crash. Those ones be like 70% for real. Okay, man, let me just be fair. Man, say okay, the ones where been love them, we wish them well genuinely. Those ones that 40. Because me, I joined the 40%. I wish them well, like genuinely happy for them. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm not God, but sometimes there's a part of me will be like, you get any other woman with him match Davido like Choma? I'm not sure, but I'm not God. Now God, now he know the real destiny, you know, even God self say he will find it. That means that the one will go find by himself. He will find it, the wife, find it the good thing, and will take it favor. So now he will go find. So now just the love will be that. So make I read some things so people can't talk. But this person here can say, assurance that expire, that Davido sabi chop and run, can laugh. The second person can say, she said what she said, period. Another person can say, very soon water will carry somebody go far away, can laugh. Another person can say, I beg shift. Another person can say, Buhari and Davido just left the comment section through back door quietly. Another person can say, when you chop premium breakfast, you turn motivational speaker. Another person can say, when Davido is show assurance to pepper others, no motivational speaker then. Another person can say, heartbreak where everybody they manage, you reach your turn, you turn into motivational speaking. Another person can say, auntie, just call Davido by his name and stop going through the corridors. Another person can say, my assurance don't turn to motivational speaker, can laugh. Another person can say, as a chef, you are the one that's supposed to serve breakfast, but they come serve you breakfast instead. So, man, just end here, my people them. The level there be say, I don't know if it's Davido Choma is referring to for real. I don't know why everybody just feel like saying that Davido and Choma they refer to. Personally, I don't know why I don't think it's Davido Choma is referring to. I just feel like maybe person don't offend her. Many people did to offend her, and even her friends self. Girls always have get basketballs, but this one pain her more. This one pain her well. Because for Choma to come out and write something, it's pain her. Choma hardly, you know, write anything, no matter what is going on. She doesn't say shit. So my great people, I just love that. Much I put for other news them. Wait them they share. Oh, person come out to your call Nollywood actress when they call and say Annie Dibia two baba wife. Hey, you say she be snaky. Two baba wife. When everybody they say like angel. Well, I don't really know, but make I read them for now. Alright, so Nollywood actress they call her and say Linda Clems, although I never hear of her before. She come out to come insult Annie. Say women supporting women might see. Say Annie Idibia, you are a snake, a very evil one. Nah, this one pass power. Annie man no go answer her. Go say na me won't do cloud chasing with thunder hire you. Alright, my great people, the moon no mind me. Annie no talk more. Then she come right say this biatch has pushed me to limit. Now wow, wetin Annie can do now? She can see right say it's safe to say Nollywood is a good place for any criminal to retire and invest in her. Now wow, wetin dey happen? Wetin dey occur? Anyway, sha. Annie Dibia no allow slide though, as everybody thought she would just a slide. Say I no be me, you go carry my name, do cloud chase, you know. She can't come to control her own shade. She no mention name just as the girl mentioned. She can't write say, I heard about all you said. Keep talking, hon. Can't laugh. Still getting paid every damn day while you're all at it. This is me walking away from all that bull bragging. Yup, I end this shit. So now wow, Nollywood actresses when I take them easy. I never ever hear men come out and they call themselves like this. That's also women. Now who do us you abi the papa don't buy? Hey, Minister of Information when they call and say Laye Mohammed don't talk say very soon they will lift up ban for microblogging site where they call and say Twitter. According to Minister of Information, it all say the engagement with the team from Twitter has been productive and that they have agreed to open an office in Nigeria. The end for amicable resolution is very much in sight. We appreciate the patience of Nigerians. I want to assure you that we have made very tremendous progress. We have met with Twitter both physically and in writing. We are actually almost there. The engagement has been extremely positive without any acrimony. We have made it clear what we want from Twitter, and he said Twitter team have also agreed to have a country representative that will serve as a liaison and must register with relevant regulatory agencies, including the NCC. The Twitter have shown a lot of flexibility. The conversation has been acrimonious, Mohammed said. The federal government had on June 4th suspended Twitter operation in Nigeria following the deleting of tweets made by President Buhari, who had threatened to treat members of the indigenous people of the IPOB in the language. Alright, my people, thank you so much for watching. We want to stay beautiful. Bye.